Hello mga kanayo natin dyan, mga ka-townshippers. Let's go Tagalog mode today. It's 2:16 in the afternoon. I got home from a pickup game of basketball. So I'm making what do you call this? Miswa. Only Tagalog people will understand. Oh, Filipino people will understand this. So, ang miswa ko po ay, ito po ang gagamitin ko, na noodles. Yan po. Marami po yan pero one, what do you call that? Isang bungkus lang ang gagamitin ko po kasi lalapot masyado yung miswa natin. Ito po, nakalimutan ko po kung anong tawag po rito sa tawag sa gulay na ito eh. Lagay na po natin siya. Let's put it. Some heat on. Heat up. It's too low. I turned off the vent because it's too noisy. So let's put this. I forgot what kind of vegetable is that. And then I put fish balls in there. That's how I make my miswa, whatever I have. And then malunggay, I put malunggay in there, leaves, some what do you call that? Corn, carrots, and then my unknown, I forgot what it's called. If you guys can comment about it. I don't know, I forgot. And then I got shrimps here, fish balls, garlic, tomatoes and onions I put in there, and this shrimps is gonna taste change the scenario. And then I'll put one of these. This is what I call the miswa. It's a different one. So yeah, it's kind of boiling now, so let's cover it. And then I put malunggay too. So I call it miswa. Filipinos knows about it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.